Dogecoin price. Dogecoin price is 77320 right now when I'm making the video, but I did the order already like 7757. This is my 1 hour plan, 1 hour chart. So but I did the stop loss is 7562. So you see that it's like 18.58%, 18.58%, almost 19% reward. And but I did the stop loss is like 7596. Excuse me. So how you do that, how you know that is this price is going up or down? Because when I make a trend line from here, let me show you from here, like 0.090 from here to 1 2 3. So if it is stay here like 7757, if it is going trend here, so I buy it. I already buy it, and it's making a little bit loss right now, but it's okay though, because I did the stop loss is like 2% on basis of the leverage. But leverage I don't make that much. I don't spend or invest that much money to make money for to make a good return. So I did the leverage like $1,000 and make it 10 times leverage to make money. So if you see that 1,000 for 10 times leverage is not almost $10,000, but I did the 2% losses. But 2%, when the 2% losses, I'm done. That's it. But I am waiting for this like 0.090, 0.92203. 0.09203 or 198 right now is like making change. So this is for the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart is going to show that, but 1 hour chart is going to show that everything all kind of confluences is going to show that Dogecoin is going up. But I don't invest that much money, but I make it invest every day like $10, $20. I told you most of the my video. So it's for like 15 days or 20 days or 1 month. If it is go through, so I make money. If it is loss, is loss. But I'm confident about that Dogecoin is going up like almost 9 because of a lot of news and a lot of technical issue is show that Dogecoin price is going up because it's the trend line.
In 2013, late 2013 was when we saw Bitcoin for the first time really go from $1 up to $1,000 in the space of a couple of weeks. And so I was kind of getting caught up in the mania, the addiction of checking the price every day. And I noticed that a new altcoin was kind of coming on the scene. And altcoin is just an alternative cryptocurrency, and they were always something prefixed with something. So at the same time, I was into the funny Shiba Inu Doge meme, that dog looking at a camera, and I just put 2 and 2 together one day while I was sitting down back in Sydney, Australia with a beer, and said, I'm going to invest in Dogecoin. I think that's the next big thing. And it just, next thing it went viral on Twitter.
Yeah, and here we are just on January 7th. Dogecoin actually hit a market cap of $2 billion. Let's put this into comparison, guys. Hop into the Bloomberg terminal, hashtag BTV1928 here, so you can actually take a look to see where Bitcoin is there in purple. You can see some of the other ones, Ethereum and Ripple down there. Now, for Dogecoin, it's actually down 60% since that time, Jackson, since January 7th. I know you are a bear. Give me your thoughts, give me your reaction on everything that's happening right now.
Yeah, I think it's not something that we didn't expect. Like, I think, whenever you see a huge exponential rise in the price of something overnight with very little kind of technical development, or announcements coming out, it can be a sign of a bubble, and you can expect a correction in any market that happens. So I think that's what we've been seeing a lot lately. I think we've been seeing a lot of what I like to call kind of blind investing. And what's happening is people are having this FOMO, this fear of missing out. They're throwing a large sum of money into something, and they're not doing the due diligence until after the fact.
Now, you created Dogecoin, though. Are you shaking your head now that it's exploded and now receding?
Not really. Like, I haven't really been involved closely with Dogecoin for a couple of years now, mostly because it started as a joke, and I think it's important that it stays that way. For me now, I really think of Dogecoin as kind of my barometer for how much Bitcoin mania and crypto mania has kind of taken hold, and how much kind of, dumb money is flowing into the space. If a coin that hasn't had development in multiple years can go up to $2 billion, then it's really a sign of the times, and I think that's something that a lot of more people should be paying attention to.
Now, part of me is wondering how much of this is opportunism here. There is a chart that we just came out just in the past 24 hours or so with regards to the ICOs, the initial coin offerings here. And just in 2017, we hit a record. I mean, there wasn't anything to begin with, really. But $6.8 billion in terms of ICO money raised in 2017 alone. To what extent do you think that this is opportunism that we really need to be aware of?
I think it's definitely opportunism. I think there's a lot of money flowing around in the economy.
Bitcoin price is gained like 2.06% to 0.078 at 5 p.m. Standard Data Talk, price analysis and those. Let me show you the news about that. You see the snaps at today losing streak, down 12.78% month to date, down 12.78% year to date, down 88.37%. You see all kind of like Kayak and Doge is market data is going to show that, but 50 down 23.06% from 52 weeks high to 0.1% December 8 to 2023 based on, so up 35.48% from its 52 week low 0.058 on October 12, 2023 based on 5 p.m. levels, traded as high as 0.0 and 496 as today intraday high. So Dogecoin price is also depend on the Elon Musk. Like Elon Musk, if it is any Twitter or anything he do, that is automatically going up or down. Whatever he said is on basis of this, what he says in on the social media. So let me show you the another thing is a Dogecoin price analysis on the coin telegraph. You see that. Let me show the Ethereum, BNB, and Solana, and then XRP, Cardano, Avalanche. You see the Dogecoin is right now is like 0.07 something like that, but it's maybe going up because I already bought it as a 0.077 something like that, but and I sell it like 0.092 or one thing something like that. So I did the stop loss. is 0.07, 0.075 or something like that. So Dogecoin is almost higher. You see that this moving average 50-day and 20-day moving average is going up. It shows that Dogecoin is going up is for the 1-day Binance. You see the Dogecoin is 1-day Binance 50-day moving average high. So Dogecoin started recovery on January 20, but the bulls could not clear the overhead hurdles at the 50-day SMA, or this show that bears remain active at the higher level. But bear remains is like 0. If it is 0.75 is going to the down is like 0.6. But I already did the stop loss 2%, and I make it. I get the reward for 18%, 18 or 19%, almost something like that. You see the RSI is 43, but it's almost going higher. So we have to wait for that. And maybe it's going up. Okay, let me show you another thing. You see the January 24, what they said. Like Dogecoin has 4% over the first 20 years. Let me show you. Dogecoin is trading 0.08 at press time. Despite today's rate, it is too early to think about a mid-term rise due to a lack of energy. Buyers can hold the price above the vital zone of 0.08. Traders can accept sideways trading in the range of 0.80 to 0.85 until the end of the week. So end of the week you can make buy and sell on basis of the technical analysis. You can do the like 15 minutes or 5 minutes chart. You can do this 0.080 or 0.085 is make money too. But I did the 1 hour right now. So 123 million Dogecoin goes to Robinhood as a Doge, up 5% mysterious whale spotted. A prominent cryptocurrency tracking platform Whale Alerts has announced that approximately 15 hours ago it spotted a tremendous amount of Dogecoin transferred by an anonymous whale to popular brokerage platform Robinhood. Overall, more than 100 million Dogecoin have been transacted with a likely goal of being sold, while over the first 24 hours the Doge price has demonstrated 5% increase. Whale moves is 103 million Doges. You see overall you see that all of them price and analysis is going show that it's maybe going 9 or 8 something like that. So I already stop loss and reward like 0.2% and reward like 19%. So I have to wait for a month or whatever, but it's for the swing trade. But I do the day trade also every day, 2 or 3 trade or 2 trade, like it's depend on the technical analysis and news and all of them social media and everything. So I try to my own analysis is going show that Dogecoin is going up like 0.0 2.92 something like that. So if I lost, what happened? If I lost only 2% is okay for me, because I know I don't lost not more than 2% or 1.5%. So but if I make it like 3% above, 3% above, so if I lost it like 2% is okay. But if I get the return like almost 3% above, that means, but I did the Dogecoin is like 18%. So if it is 18% is good return for me. A whole analysis, what I did the analysis in my own analysis, like you see that 50-day and 50-day and 200-day moving average is almost sale indicator is going to show that it's already sold, right? So if it is sale, I bought it here, is on the sale, is like a good thing. Like I make it all, I make it money in here, and I stop list I did, I think it's 0.8063, but I did the limit order. When is going up, like I told you, like 77 something like that in the next like the video. So you see that is like 7592 is my stop loss or something like that. 7512 is my stop loss. So I bought it here. So I'm gonna waiting for the here like 0.902, I think, like here 1992 or 96 like that, 161%, 161.8% on the Fibonacci retracement. So if it is buy signal, so I will buy. If it is buy signal is okay though, so 100% sure is going up over there because it's on the Fibonacci retracement. So you see the high is here and low is here. So let me show you another thing. High is here, low is here. You see that 100%. So is 1.61%. I sell it here. So if I sell it here, I make return, like what I return. Let me see. Show you. Just I remember that how much I did. So it's like I told you it's like 18 or 19%. I sell it here. I don't want to be wait for 161. Sometimes it's like it's going up here and the bomb is like it's going down. So like I know too much profit is good, but I'm not waiting for the like that much profit. Whatever I make money, and I want to be lost if I waiting too much like time. So because the time is money, so I'm waiting here and I'm gonna done, that's it. I'm doing the another thing for like for the next buy or sale or anything. So I buy it, and also you have to watch the news and everything, social media and everything, and you have to do your own analysis, because your investment, you have to invest in yourself. Your investment is the best investment forever. Nobody can teach you how to do that, but everybody show you his own analysis. So you have to do your own analysis too. Okay, so show you like what the price is Dogecoin right now and what is going to be the next. This is my analysis. So next tomorrow I'm going to show you the another thing. Like stay with my channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I told you like 18.92 and my stop loss is like 2%. So today that's it. I'm going to do the next one tomorrow. Stay with me. Thank you.